Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emmeline Rose, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I packed for Disney, and I'm going to be sharing a few tips with you guys to make packing a lot easier for you and making your life so much more easier. So if you're interested in these tips and what I'm bringing to Disney, then stick around and keep on watching. So before we get started, this video is not going to be me showing you exactly everything I'm bringing to Disney with me. You're going to see everything, but I'm not going to explain everything, just because I've learned in the past two packing videos that I've done, which I will link down below for you guys in the description box if you are interested in watching those. But those ones I did kind of show every single thing I was bringing, and I find that those aren't quite interesting and stuff. They can get long and boring and all of that, so I'm not going to exactly do that in here. And also, 4 of the shirts that I'm bringing are, I made them, and there may or may not be a video on how I made them coming up on Wednesday next week. So, I don't know, you guys might have to stick around, but you'll get a little sneak peek of what those look like, but I don't know, but that video, I didn't say anything about that. So that's pretty much it. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. The first thing that I recommend is to lay out all of your clothes. I would normally do this on my bed, but today I'm doing it on the floor of my filming studio, as you might want to call it. It's just a spare room in our house, but normally I would do this on my bed, but my room is a mess and I didn't want to film in there. So I'm laying them out on the floor, and I'm organizing them by like t-shirts, shorts, jeans, bras and underwear, my bathing suit, pajamas, stuff like that, just so it's more organized so I can see it. And I also recommend that you guys plan out outfits instead of just kind of throwing in things that are random, and because that's a way that you're going to overpack. Luckily, with these DIY t-shirts, I don't have to worry about picking out shirts that I might want to wear to Disney, and it just makes it a lot easier. And another thing that I recommend is to bring neutral or denim jeans or shorts wherever you're going with you, instead of, neutral colors or something like that. Try not to bring like super funky things, because unless you plan that out as your outfit, but that way you can kind of switch things out, you can mix and match all of your stuff, but definitely plan out outfits. And then I would recommend bringing maybe 1 to 2 extra like t-shirts and pants and stuff like that, just in case something gets wet or ruined or whatever and you need an extra shirt. So the second thing that I recommend is, when you are packing your clothes, to roll them. And this is going to create a lot more space in your suitcase, and it's also going to prevent your clothes from wrinkling in your suitcase. So it's just easy. You kind of fold your clothes and you just roll them up, then you put them in your suitcase, and then as you can see, after I put all of my clothes in there, I have almost half of my suitcase full, and the other half is ready for other things that I might want to put in my suitcase. I've been rolling my clothes for a few years now. I even do it in little weekend bags and stuff if I'm going away for a weekend most of the time, if I need to pack a lot of clothes and all that. It's just saved me so much more space. I find that my clothes aren't wrinkly. Obviously, if your clothes are wrinkly before, that's not going to help with wrinkles, so make sure you're ironing your clothes before or iron your clothes after or whatever. But if they're ironed and you roll them, then they're not going to get wrinkled. So the next thing that I recommend that you bring or have with you if you are a makeup wearer is to bring a bigger makeup bag that can hold all of your makeup in it, and that has brush pockets so you can put your brushes in them so they're not just loose in your makeup bag. My bag is from Vera Bradley. I've had this for a few years now, and I absolutely love it. It fits all of my makeup that I'll need for everyday use. If I wanted to bring a few extra palettes, I might be able to kind of squeeze them in there. Otherwise, I might have to bring one more makeup bag for that. But for the most part, it fits all of my makeup inside, and then there's even a little pocket in the section where you put your brushes in that I could put extra things in there. So sometimes I'll put like my tweezers, my little mini razor, and things like that. Sometimes my chapsticks and stuff, little things that I might not want to get lost in the makeup bag. Put them in there. It's perfect storage, and it fits nice in my suitcase. And then for the rest of the thing in my suitcase, I'm just bringing some hair elastics and bobby pins. I'm bringing them all because I don't know what type of hairstyles I'm going to be doing when I'm at Disney. Also, my hair brushes, my deodorant, and a perfume. I'm bringing a mini one from Bath & Body Works, and my hair straightener. And then other things I would bring is like my toothbrush and medicine and all that type of stuff, but I still need that. Even some of the stuff that I packed away, I do need to take out and use until I leave on Sunday because I'm filming this on Friday. But so that is pretty much it for everything that's going in my suitcase, and now I'm going to move on to my carry-on bag. My carry-on bag is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just bringing my laptop and the charger for the laptop. I'm bringing a neck pillow for the airplane. I'm bringing a pair of earphones, and then I will have my phone charger in there. Oh, and of course, my camera bag. I'm bringing, obviously, my camera. I'm using it right now, so I can't pack it, but I'm bringing my camera with me. I'm bringing extra batteries and my camera battery charger, so I'm able to charge the batteries while I'm there at Disney. And I'm also bringing a Spirit jersey that I did get from Disney, just in case the plane gets a little cool. That's pretty much everything I'm bringing in my carry-on bag, and there's some things that you might be thinking, Emmeline, you're missing, like, shampoo and other things like that, but sometimes, me and my mom, we share our stuff, so, her suitcase is bigger, so she usually packs a lot of that. But my biggest tip for your carry-on bag is, one, make sure it's, small enough to fit in there, you know, make sure it's the correct size, because you don't want to have a bigger carry-on bag and have it not be able to fit, and then you're gonna have to go check that. So, and the second thing that I recommend with your carry-on bag is to pack your valuables in there and anything that you might need just in case your luggage does get lost. So your chargers for your phone, your medicine, anything that you might possibly need, and if your luggage gets lost, like you can't live without it type of thing, or like you know, you just need these things, because with your suitcase, you know, they don't treat them the best. They kind of just throw them in there and do their thing with them, the people that work at the stuff. So if you have valuable stuff in there, you don't want it to get broken, and also you don't want it to get stolen. I'm not saying that people at the airports do steal your stuff, but you just never know. So that's why I'm bringing my laptop in my carry-on bag, and I might also do a little bit of editing on the plane, and I'll put my medicine in my wallet and stuff in there because I'm going to actually need my wallet, but also I don't want my money in my suitcase. So that is all the tips that I have for you guys, and that is everything I'm bringing to Disney with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday. Next week I'm only posting one video because I wasn't able to pre-record enough videos, so sorry about that, but I will definitely make up for it with my Disney vlogs. I'm not sure how exactly they're gonna go. They're either gonna be one each day, or I might separate them into 2 or 3 videos. I'm not really sure, but stay tuned for those. Those are going to be super, super fun, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on them. So leave a comment down below letting me know if you have ever been to Disney World or Disneyland. I'm really curious. And feel free to follow me on social media. My Instagram and Twitter are both Emmeline_Rose_, and my Facebook page is EmmelineRoseYT. I will have those linked down below for you guys in the description box so you can find them easily, so you can follow me. I stay pretty active on there. I post behind the scenes stuff, and I just like to interact with you guys on there, so follow me. And I'm trying to work on my feed. I think it's getting pretty good. But yeah, I think that's it. So I will talk to you guys either Wednesday or Friday next week. Not really sure when the video is going up, but I will see you guys then. Bye, everybody.